Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to generate images using ChatGPT, eliminate the background, and enlarge the images. Moreover, every app that we will use is free. There are, of course, very few restrictions or limitations. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so I'm on my ChatGPT, and you don't need to have a subscription for ChatGPT when you do these images. Before, you cannot generate images with the free account. However, there are limitations on how many images that you can create or generate in a day. Sometimes it will tell you to wait for 3 minutes, then you'll have to generate again. For example, I've generated these flowers for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I generated this again, the fairies. However, it tells me that I am generating images too quickly, then I have to wait for 3 minutes before generating more images, or 24 hours at that to generate another image. This is my prompt, and I made sure that I put this clean white background so that I can remove the background quite easily. You have to make sure that the prompt is very detailed of what you want to achieve or see in your images. If you want a watercolor illustration, then you have to put it there. For me, I did this realistic illustration, and then it gave me this hyper-realistic image or illustration of this anthurium flower. So let me show you another one that I created. This is a different prompt though, like create a watercolor illustration of a woman with black ponytail, and this is watercolor illustration. And I also put do not cut off her hairstyle, because sometimes like this one, it's cut off, they cut it off. So I just want everything to be centered and no cutoffs. And sometimes also I would add centered. Sometimes it will really center the image, but most of the time it doesn't really work. I don't know, but I just put do not cut off any parts of the design or the image. So this is a watercolor illustration, and this is a realistic botanical illustration. Now let me show you the fairy. This is the fairy that I created here, a watercolor illustration of a fairy with delicate translucent wings and shimmering accents, and the background is clean and white, do not cut off the image. So here it gave me what I want exactly. So now all you have to do is download this by clicking on this one. It will save it as WebP, and then just save it. So now we have to delete the background or remove the background of this image. So what I'm using, and it's free also, is go to pixelcut.ai and then click on background remover, and you will have this one. So just upload the image or drag a file of your image here. So let's see, this is the image that we want, right? And it will right away remove the background. Look at that. It's so good. It removes all the background, and then you have to download this, and it will save it as PNG, and it's even free. This is the PNG, and this is the original one that we've just downloaded from ChatGPT, and this is the PNG. See, there's a white background here. However, that's black. There's no background there anymore. So there's just a few whites here. And you just have to use something like maybe Photoshop or Photopea. All right, so once you have that, this is sized, let's see, I think, let me see here. The size of this is 1024 by 1024. It's not much. If you want to sell this as Clipart, it has to have like a 300 dpi. So what you're gonna do, free one also, this is the big JPEG.com. This is an AI image enlarger. I will put all the links in the description. So you just have to select your image. So once you've selected it, you can click on start, and then you can choose upscale 2 times, 4 times, 8 times, and for the 16 times you have to upgrade. So let's just use this settings and then click OK. And I will also put the prompt that I used to create these flower images. So now it says here that you can download it. It's done. So just click on download. So we can look at the size. So now it's 2048 by 2048. Okay. So it's bigger than the 1024. So that's it. Please let me know in the comments if you've found this helpful, and maybe next time I will show you some other AI image generation apps that are free as well. I've been using them too. Well then, see you, and thanks again for watching and for the continued support. Bye!